third points I think we need to discuss, that is what are their focus topic. So theme has changed, as well as third is focus has been changed. So what are the new focus for the multiculturalism or new psychology? Like child abuse has increased excessively because international human trafficking, or drug abuse has been increased, right? Like international brandings and products also increase, so that consumers nature has been changed. So consumer psychologist has been grown. Producers, because of international producers, lot of producers provide lot of opportunities, so that there is, so means, तो जो थर्ड सेक्शन में है वो है हमारा फोकस. अब फोकस चेंज हो गया एंड फेमिनिस्ट मूवमेंट बिकम वेरी पॉपुलर. सो मीन्स वुमेन साइकोलॉजी अगेन और जेंडर साइकोलॉजी लाइक दैट. So here is a new concept like gender psychology has been emerged. So all these has been basically started to arise. Instead of that, like labor is there. So labor, because of labor organizational, all these concept has been emerged after the multiculturalism. So multiculturalism से तीन बड़े बदलाव आ गए. One is methods of psychology has been changed, themes of psychology has been changed, and focus of psychology has been changed, and then fourth changes is there, that is application. So application, fourth changes is there. So what are their application, right? So application में क्या बदलाव आया, that you need to see carefully. So what are the changes in the application? एप्लीकेशंस में अब साइकोलॉजी को काउंसलिंग का एक नया रूप निकल के आया. सो द काउंसलिंग साइकोलॉजी बिकम इन अ डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स. व्हाई इट इज डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स? बिकॉज जो काउंसलिंग अर्लियर was based on unicultural, but right now we are providing multicultural counselings. Even in teachings also we are change, means education psychology में change आया because of इसका application ये देखने को मिला कि like we are teaching in Delhi, so definitely multicultural students are there. We cannot speak totally English or Hindi because here some students are purely Southern Indian, some of them are not able to understand properly English, so that there is a new things, means एक नया application हुआ कि जो educations में नए नए concepts आए और counselings में नए concepts आए multiculturalisms की वजह से. Other is OB, means organizational behaviors were basically एक नई psychology को apply हमने करना शुरू कर दिया. So is similarly you can point out more points, right? As I mentioned, तो impacts क्या क्या पड़ा? Impact से पड़ा methods change हो गए, topics change हो गए और focus change हो गया, application has been changed. और किस पे हुआ? Psychological studies. Even I have mentioned all the psychological studies. और इसके अलावा discuss contemporary trends. So contemporary trends means all these are the basically contemporary trends like childs, drugs, producers, consumers, organizational, counselings, all these are the contemporary trends. And these trends इतना आप अगर लिखते हैं इस क्वेश्चंस के आंसर में, I think examiner will provide you best marks, and this is for 20 marks. This is only hint to you, and remaining if you want to if you have any query, so you can WhatsApp our number, or even you can write and upload your answers on the given WhatsApp number, that is 966 77 and 55548. You can WhatsApp, means आप इस पे अपने क्वेश्चंस लिख करके WhatsApp कर सकते हैं, और डिटेल में कोई चीज़ इसको समझना चाहते हैं, so you can also inquire on these numbers. So thank you for the today's session.